Welcome to Weje, a service to collect, store, and organize information. In this video, we'll learn how to use the balanced scorecard template. After logging into Weje, you can create your own whiteboard from scratch or pick one of the provided templates. To create a whiteboard using the balanced scorecard template, select the appropriate template from the list, set its name, and then click Create. The Balanced Scorecard is a strategic performance management tool that allows managers to track employee performance and the consequences of performance or non-performance. It usually has four main blocks: financial, customer, internal process, and learning and growth. These four blocks should answer the following questions. Financial block is the result that can be provided to shareholders and founders. The customer block is the image of the company for the customers. Internal process is about business processes that need to be improved. And learning and growth is about how to develop further and increase the value of the company. Each block has four columns: objectives, initiatives, targets, and measures. In each column, you can put information about the goals you've set and the results you've achieved. You can easily add or remove additional cards or forms in each of the blocks. To add a new form to one of the blocks, hover your mouse over the toolbar and select the appropriate form. Move the created form to the desired block. You can set a specific color from the palette to the created form. With a double click in the center of the form, you can write down the necessary information. Another way to add additional forms is to duplicate existing forms. To do this, select one of the already created cards on the board and click the Duplicate button on the toolbar that appears. To delete form cards that you don't need, just select the card and click the trash icon or press Delete on your keyboard. All created blocks and form cards can be connected to each other. To do this, select the necessary block and draw a connection line from the purposed point. You can set the thickness, color, and type of the connection line. To delete a link, just select it and click on the trash icon in the toolbar. You can invite your colleagues or other Weje users to a board with a completed template using the board properties. To invite another user to the board, you need to enter his email address in the Collaborators field. To receive an invitation, the user must be registered in the service. Select the user access right and click Invite. Access to the board can be granted by a link. To do this, click on the Public button and select the property for the invited user. Copy and send the link. Even an unregistered user will be able to access the board using this link. The completed board can be fully copied. Click on the Create Copy button through the board property. The copied board will appear in the general list of boards. This can be very useful if you use this template frequently. Weje allows you to create a balanced scorecard either by yourself or with the help of a suggested template. In ready-made boards, you can invite your colleagues or friends for joint management.